hook and look. So you're going to go backpack position, and you're going to go tuck, froggy, straddle. From here, you're going to hook one knee, and you're going to hook it all the way, and you're going to grab above your knee on both sides of the pole and look between the pole as you lift. You want to actively lift. This is your hook and look. When you go back, you're going to push back into straddle. Now, the hand that is where the knee was originally hooked, which in this case is the right side, you're going to have to let go of. So this is the hook and look ball. So same thing, hook the knee, pull up, that's your hook and look, and then just ball up, make sure you have perfect toes. And then again, watch that hand, the right hand, as you push back, it's going to let go so that knee can unhook. All right, that's your hook and look. Remember to like, subscribe, and ring that bell button so that you're the next and first one to get the tutorial drop.